Alright, what's up guys? This is a trade recap of how I made $506 last night trading supply and demand. So first what I did was I identified direction and identified that we were in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows on this 5-minute time frame. So the next thing that I did was identify my point of interest, which was this 5-minute supply zone right here. This 5-minute opposing candle or indecision candle before an impulse candle and a downtrend with a fair value gap. You can see this candle has a somewhat small body and wick on that side, and that candle was followed by a big sell candle that created a gap in price, an imbalance, and I expected price to fill this gap in price, this imbalance, which it did, put me in the trade, and then continue going lower. And my entry was the bottom of the supply zone because I'm expecting price to fully fill this imbalance. My stop loss was 1 point above the high of this candle, and my take profit was 2 RR, and the trade won. So if we go on the 1-minute time frame, whenever this chart loads, alright, so if we go on the 1-minute time frame, we can see price offered a refinement entry, and this refinement entry was right here. This 1-minute indecision candle, that sell candle right there, before an impulse candle and a downtrend with a fair value gap, and that imbalance was higher than my entry, which offers refinement. So I could have entered off of this 1-minute supply zone, and my risk to reward ratio would have been considerably larger. My risk to reward ratio would have been considerably larger, which is nice. Looks like a 3.5 risk to reward ratio, so that's nice. And yeah, that trade took profit. There was also a internal break of structure right here on the 1-minute time frame, which adds extra strength to this trade. So yeah, great trade.